how to make Adobe Photoshop's crop tool, this one, not throw away the cropped data. So for example, if I crop down the top portion of the image of those two buildings and accept it with this one, next time when I click on it with the crop tool and I want to get back those, because let's say I want to include them into the picture, notice they are gone. And accept it and they are missing. So how to make crop remember that portion which was cropped down. Let's just undo it with Ctrl Z, and when the crop tool is selected, we have this option up here, delete cropped pixels. Uncheck that one. And now if I crop down the image, let's say the top, and accept it, next time when I want to crop it, just click on it and notice it's already there. I can come back to it and accept it. So make sure delete cropped pixels is unchecked.